Hi guys, Ellie here. Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So today we have an iPhone 15. So this is how the box looks. We got it in the black color. So this is how it looks. On the side is small because there's no charging brick anymore, which I removed a while ago. And so let's get opening. So first thing, I'm gonna pull it, classic Apple. You get your phone, there. And then let's see what else you get. You get Design in Apple by California and a USB-C to USB-C cable. And that's the biggest difference between this iPhone 15 versus all the older iPhones. Let's see. You got one sticker. You have only an eSIM now, so there's no SIM card ejector or anything. There's these. And then there's this braided white USB-C cable, which is super nice. See? It's braided, so it's just your USB-C cable. So now we have the iPhone 15 right here. So it's in the black colorway, so this is how it looks. So let's now just tear it open. So we have it open right now. So as you can see, there's no more notch. There is a circle, which is called the dynamic island for this, and it's a matte. This is a matte black. And their new glass and black infused glass or something like that. One thing I can first immediately tell is the feel of this phone is different, and it's not like glossy or anything. Let's look at the camera. Let's take a picture of this. Oh, there's 2xing. 25. And let's take a selfie. Take a selfie right here. So you guys can see all the photos side by side up here, and that's how the photos look. They actually look really good in this with their new 48 megapixel camera and everything. Well, the one thing that this doesn't have, but the Pro has, is a Pro Motion display. So that's the 120 hertz front display. That's the biggest difference. And the USB-C cable in this is USB 2, not USB-C Type 3. So that's another difference. Overall, I really like this phone, and this phone is gonna be mine. And so thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Bye.